standard 9th. Today we will revise exercise 4D. This exercise is based on basically all the identities which we have done in both three exercises. Now second question, in this value of a plus 1 upon a is given m. And what more is said, that a can't equal to 0. You have to find here two parts. In first part you have to find value of a minus 1 upon a. We will take identity which we have done in exercise 4a using a plus 1 upon a whole square minus a minus 1 upon a whole square equals 4. We will use this identity here. So now substitute a plus 1 over a as m. So m square minus a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 4. M square, 4 we shift this side, minus 4. This term will take another side, it come in plus now. So a minus 1 upon a equals plus minus square root of m square minus 4. Where from we get this square root? Square, whenever we transfer it will change into square root. So this is the answer of our first part. Now in second part you have to find value of a square minus 1 upon a square. Here we will follow the identity of a square minus b square, which equals addition of the terms and difference of the terms. Now we substitute the value. What is the value of a plus 1 over a? It is given m in the quotient into a minus 1 upon a. We have found it in first part. So when we multiply, we will get plus minus m square root of m square minus 4. Like this is all both the parts. Now quotient 4. In quotient number 4, value of x square plus 1 upon 9x square is given 25 upon 36. And one condition is given, x is greater than 0. You have to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. So what we will do? We will take this term first. We will take this term. Now we know that when we do square of x, we get x square. So original term is x plus 1 is square of 1 and 9 is square of 3 and x. So this is the original term. We will take it and do it square. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Means we consider x as a and 1 upon 3x as b, and then we follow the identity of a plus b whole square. So we get x square plus 1 upon 9x square plus 2 upon 3. So what we will do now? We have to substitute the value. Value of x square plus 1 upon 9x square, its value is given 25 upon 36. So x 1 upon 3x square equals 25 upon 36 plus 2 upon 3. What we will do here? We will take its LCM. LCM will be 36. So same terms. So same numerator will come here. When we divide 36 by 3, what will get 12? 12 was a 24. We add it, what will get 49 upon 36. Now this square will change in this side and it will come in square root plus minus square root of 49 upon 36. So value of x plus 1 upon 3x equals plus minus 49 is square of 7 and 36 is square of 6. both the sign? No. The condition is given in the question that x is greater than 0. That means x is positive. We cannot take minus term because x is greater than 0. Therefore, value of x plus 1 upon 3x will be equal to 7 upon 6. We will not take minus. We have found value of x plus 1 upon 3x is equal to 7 upon 6. And what you have to find? Value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. So we will take this term and apply cube identity here. So x plus 1 upon 3x cube equals it's a cube plus b cube plus 3 into first term is x, second term 1 upon 3x into whatever is there given, x plus 1 upon 3x. So this x is cancelled, this 3 is cancelled. Now we substitute the value of x plus 1 upon 3x equals 7 upon 6. So 7 upon 6 cube equals x cube plus 1 upon cube of 3, 27 x cube plus this all are cancelled. So 1 into this term, same term will come. It is 7 upon 6. So cube of 7, 7 into 7 into 7, you multiply 7 how many times? 3 times and we get 343. Similarly, here we multiply 6 3 times, we will get 216. This is in plus, it will come here in minus. Now we will take LCM 216. Same denominator, so same term will come here. Minus 216. When we will divide by 6, we will get 36. 36 sevens up. You can multiply and see. 7 6 are 42, 4, 7 3 are 21 and 4, 25. So we subtract them. 3 minus 2, 1, 14 minus 5, 9, 2 minus 2, 0. So value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube equals 91 upon 216. Now 8th question. In this question, value of x square plus 1 upon x square is given 7. X is not equal to 0 and you have to find the value of 7x cube plus 8x minus 7 upon x cube minus 8 upon x. We will take this term first and then we will regroup it. 7x cube and this one. Means cube terms we will take together and without cube terms we will take separately. Plus 8x minus 8 upon x. From we make group of two terms. From first two terms 7 is common. We take 7 common, x cube minus 1 upon x cube. In these two terms 8 is common, so we will take 8 common and we get x minus 1 upon x. So to find the value of these all, you have to find value of x cube minus 1 over x cube and you have to find value of x minus 1 upon x. But what is given to you? X square plus 1 over x square is 7. Using this, we will take x minus 1 upon x, we do square, we substitute the value and then we calculate. As x minus 1 upon x whole square equals x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. This identity we have done in 4th exercise. Now we have substitute the value here. 7 minus 2. So x minus 1 upon x whole square equals 5. So x minus 1 upon x is equal to plus minus square root of 5 square We'll go that side and change into square root. So can you factorize 5? No, we cannot factorize. So this is the value of x minus 1 upon x. Now you have to find value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. So we will take this down and do it cube. We follow the identity. This is the identity. You have to find value of this. So other two terms value you can substitute as plus minus root 5. Before that, what we will do? We shift this term. So x square minus 1 upon x cube, x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to x minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 will change into plus x minus 1 upon x. So value of x minus 1 upon x, what we will substitute? Plus minus root 5. Plus minus root 5 cube plus 3 into plus minus root 5. When we will take cube, root 5 we multiply 3 times. Root 5 into root 5 we will get 5 and 1 root 5 will left. So when you take cube it will give us plus minus 5 root 5. We multiply. Can we multiply 3 with root 5? No, because it is irrational number. So we cannot multiply. We multiply sign. It remains same because plus is outside. So 3 root 5. Can we add them? Yes, because they are of the same sign. Irrational numbers are also same. We can add them. So value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to plus minus 8 root 5. This only you have to find. No, we have to find value of these terms. So we substitute the values now because you have to find value of 7 into x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus 8 into x minus 1 upon x. Here we can substitute these two values. X minus 1 over x as plus minus root 5. X cube minus 1 over x cube as plus minus 8 root 5. So 7 into plus minus 8 root 5 plus 8 into plus minus root 5. Multiply. 7 8s are 56. Here it is plus, so whatever sign remains same. 8 root 5. When you will add them, what will come? 56 plus 8, 64. So plus minus 64 root 5. This is your answer. Now, next question is question 10. In this question, value of x is given 1 upon 5 minus x. And it is said x can't equal to 5. And you have to find the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. We will take this term first. X equals 1 upon 5 minus x. We replace them, or otherwise you do cross multiplication. Is equal to 1. Now this x will come here in division. 5 is equal to 1 upon x. This minus x will go that side in plus x. So we can write it like this also. X plus 1 over x is equal to 5. So is it the answer? No. You have to find the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. We will take this term and do its cube. So cube of x plus 1 over x equals x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 over x. Now we can substitute its value as 5. X plus 1. Substitute x plus 1 over x equals 5. So what we will get? Cube of 5 is equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 into 5. Cube of 5 means We multiplied 5 how many times? 3 times. So we get 125. 3 5s are 15. It is in plus. We shift that side and it will go in minus. 125 minus 15 is equal to 110. So we have to find value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. So value of x cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 110. This is your answer. Now question number 12. In this question, two numbers are given, whose sum is 7 and sum of their cubes is 133. You have to find sum of their squares. So we will take two numbers from our own side. You can suppose x, y, a, b, it's your choice. Let two numbers be a and b. We take these two numbers. According to question, sum of these two numbers is given 7 and sum of their cubes means a cube plus b cube is given 133. What you have to find? So what we will do? Can you take straightway square of a plus b and then you apply the identity? AB will come. So AB value we are not having. So find that. First we will take cube of this one and then from there we find value of AB and then we go for square identity. So a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Now a plus b you can substitute as 7. So cube of 7 equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into 7. Value of a cube plus b cube is also given. What we will substitute here? In next step 133. So cube of 7 343 is equal to, its value is 133 plus 7 3s are 21 a b. 343, this term will come here in minus. We subtract them. 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 1 2. So 210 equals 21 AB. So 210 upon 21 equals AB. So value of AB is 10. But we have to find value of a square plus b square. Now we will take a plus b and do its square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. We substitute a plus b as 7 and ab as 10. So square of 7 is 49. And we multiply 2 with 10, but we will get 20. So 49, this 20, it is in plus, it will go in minus. So value of a square plus b square equals, we will subtract them 29. This only we have to find. So like this you can solve other sums of this exercise.